These are 6 compelling reasons why waiting for the 2027 Toyota Tacoma could save you thousands and get you a significantly better truck than the 2026 model. The Toyota Tacoma has dominated America's midsize pickup market for nearly 3 decades, and with good reason. Since 1995, this truck has consistently delivered the reliability and capability that made it the best-selling midsize pickup in North America. The Tacoma has won the Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award for compact and midsize trucks every single year since the award was introduced in 2003. The Tacoma has maintained its position as America's best-selling midsize pickup for good reason. The 2027 model year looks set to continue that tradition while addressing every major criticism of the current generation. For buyers who can wait until fall 2026, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma promises to be worth the patience. You'll get a more refined truck with resolved early generation issues, expanded hybrid availability, enhanced safety features, and improved comfort, all while avoiding the inevitable depreciation hit that 2026 model buyers will face when the refreshed truck arrives. Toyota's track record with mid-cycle refreshes shows they typically address real-world feedback while introducing forward-looking technologies. The 2027 Tacoma appears positioned to deliver exactly that combination: a proven, refined platform enhanced with better efficiency, improved comfort, and cutting-edge safety technology. So what's the bottom line on waiting? While the current 2026 Tacoma is an excellent truck, the 2027 model year represents the sweet spot where Toyota will have refined the 4th generation platform while introducing meaningful improvements across the board. The projected pricing for the 2027 model starts around $34,000 for the base SR trim, with mid-range trims like the Tiara to Off-Road falling between $42,000 and $50,000. Current 2025 and 2026 owners have already noted significant improvements over previous generations, with many reporting that their trucks are more comfortable and ride better than older models. The hybrid setup provides instant power delivery with zero hesitation when pressing the gas pedal, making daily driving more enjoyable. The cabin materials are getting a major upgrade too. Durable materials like soft touch surfaces, rubberized trims, and brushed aluminum accents will create a functional yet refined environment that can handle both work and play. A massive 14-inch touchscreen will take center stage, featuring Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation. By 2027, Toyota will have incorporated solutions for these known issues directly into the manufacturing process, rather than relying on post-purchase fixes. Finally, the 6th reason focuses on interior improvements. The 2027 Tacoma's interior represents perhaps the most dramatic improvement over current models. Passenger comfort will be greatly enhanced with redesigned seats, offering improved bolstering and lumbar support, which is crucial for long drives or rough terrain adventures. Rear seat passengers will finally enjoy additional legroom, thanks to smart packaging of the hybrid battery system. There have been some recalls to be aware of. Toyota recalled approximately 222,000 Tacomas for rear brake hose issues that could be damaged by mud and dirt buildup during off-road use. Additionally, about 6,000 model year 2025 vehicles were recalled for front driveshaft joint issues. However, these are relatively minor recalls that have been quickly addressed, and there have been no widespread engine hardware failures documented for the 2024 to 2026 models. The good news is that the major concerns have already been largely resolved. Initial transmission issues that some early adopters experienced have been addressed, and the 2.4-liter turbocharged engine hasn't experienced the same problems that plagued its bigger brother in the Tundra. Current owner reports indicate that most remaining issues are minor cabin rattles and similar small problems that can be easily addressed at the dealership. Our 5th reason addresses reliability concerns. Every new generation of vehicle experiences growing pains, and the 4th generation Tacoma has been no exception. However, by 2027, Toyota will have had 3 full model years to identify and address any issues that emerge with the redesigned truck. The enhanced system will also include advanced parking aids and a 360-degree camera system with underbody view, making maneuvering in tight spaces or rough terrain easier than ever. Toyota's safety technology has proven its effectiveness. Vehicles equipped with TSS experience 50% fewer rear-end collisions compared to those without it. When combined with intelligent clearance sonar, that reduction jumps to 90%. Most significantly, the latest safety suite will include over-the-air software update capability for certain TSS 3.0 systems. This means your truck can receive future improvements and new functionalities without requiring a trip to the dealership, which is a first for Toyota trucks. 4th on our list is enhanced safety technology. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma will arrive with an enhanced version of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard across all trim levels. While the current 2026 model already includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision detection, the 2027 update is expected expected to bring additional capabilities and refinements. The hybrid also comes standard with a 2,400-watt bed-mounted inverter, essentially turning your truck into a mobile power station. This feature has proven particularly popular with contractors and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable power away from traditional outlets. Fuel economy projections for the 2027 iForce Max hybrid system suggest a combined rating of 27 to 30 miles per gallon, which would be an impressive leap over traditional gasoline 5.6 pickups in this segment. For context, buyers have already shown strong interest in the hybrid option. Over 22,000 iForce Max models were sold through the first 9 months of 2025, despite its price premium. The iForce Max system combines a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor integrated directly into the 8-speed transmission. Together, this system generates an estimated 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque, representing a 75% increase in torque compared to the previous generation's V6 engine. The third reason gets really interesting for efficiency-minded buyers. As part of Toyota's update plan for 2027, the iForce Max hybrid powertrain will no longer be an exclusive option, but will become widely available across several trim levels. This reinforces Toyota's broader commitment to electrification while giving more buyers access to the hybrid's impressive capabilities. These frame and suspension improvements build upon an already capable platform. The current 4th generation Tacoma already represents a massive leap forward from previous generations, but Toyota appears committed to pushing the envelope even further for the mid-cycle refresh. Perhaps more importantly for off-road enthusiasts, the Tacoma will receive a wider track, giving it a more planted stance and improved stability in both on-road and off-road conditions. This isn't just about looks. A wider track directly translates to better handling dynamics and increased confidence when tackling challenging terrain. The second reason involves engineering improvements. The 2027 Tacoma is expected to receive comprehensive upgrades, featuring a stronger frame and even better off-road performance capabilities. Toyota has reportedly focused heavily on refining aerodynamics for the updated model, with a reshaped hood, sleeker body contours, and improved underbody airflow, all contributing to reduced drag. The 2027 model is expected to debut in late 2026, with full dealership availability rolling out by early 2027. This timing aligns perfectly with Toyota's traditional release schedule, giving them time to incorporate improvements based on 3 years of real-world feedback from Tacoma owners. This refresh won't just be cosmetic tweaks. Expect updated styling at both the front and rear, along with tech-focused changes inside the cabin and probable updates beneath the skin. When Toyota does a mid-cycle refresh, they typically address customer feedback and market demands that have emerged since the initial launch. The first reason centers on timing. Based on Toyota's regular product cycle for body-on-frame vehicles, the 2027 Tacoma is scheduled for a mid-cycle refresh. Toyota historically waits 4 to 5 years for any significant mid-cycle changes, and we're right on schedule. The mid-size Tacoma pickup, launched in 2024, is due for its design refresh in 2027, according to automotive industry sources. Toyota sold a record-breaking 274,638 Tacomas in 2025, marking a massive 42.4% increase over the previous year. This success made the Tacoma Toyota's third bestseller, outselling its nearest competitor, the Chevrolet Colorado, by roughly 2 to 1. But despite this popularity, there are compelling reasons to hold off on that 2026 purchase. But here's what most buyers don't know. Toyota just launched the completely redesigned 4th generation Tacoma in 2024, built on their new TNGA-F platform shared with the Tundra and Land Cruiser. This means we're approaching a critical decision point for truck buyers. The 2026 model represents the 3rd year of this generation, and if Toyota follows their historical pattern, the 2027 model year is poised for significant updates that could make waiting worth your while.